Sakafes YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Let us make this spicy chicken nuggets. Hello my darlings, it's so nice to have you back here in my kitchen. Today we're making some spicy chicken nuggets. Over here I have some potatoes. This is about 2 small potatoes that I boiled and drained the water. Set it aside to cool, so now let's crack on to our nuggets. In my food processor, I'm going in with 1 whole onion, followed by some garlic, and you also want to add in some peppers. I'm adding some chili peppers and some pimento peppers. You can go in and add in some scotch bonnet peppers if you like. It's entirely up to you as to what level of heat you can handle. I'm going in with some spring onions as well as some thyme. And yes, my darlings, just put in whatever ingredients you have on hand. I'm going in some boneless chicken thighs, followed by some salt, some paprika, some turmeric powder and all-purpose seasoning. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that up in my food processor. Now, whilst I was blending and everything was coming along so well, I actually realized that I forgot my potatoes. So I had to stop my blender and then I had to go in with my potatoes. And yes, my darlings, you want to sort of blend it up until it becomes a nice sort of chicken paste, okay? Now the potatoes act like a binder. So if you want, you can substitute potatoes for eggs. But I like potatoes in mine as it keeps it nice and healthy and tasty. And yes, darlings, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna oil my hand. I'm gonna take a small section using a spoon, and you just want to take a spoonful of the mixture, roll it into a ball and flatten it out. Once I'm all done, I'll come back and show you how it's all looking. Now that most of my nuggets have been rolled out, I'm gonna go ahead and fry the first batch, okay? Because I find it really saves time if you can sort of fry the first batch while you're working on the second. In a pot, I went in with some oil, not too much. You can also deep fry this, air fry this, bake this in the oven, but I want to just shallow fry today, okay? So add a little oil, just enough to coat the bottom of your pan. Then you want to pop your heat on sort of like a medium heat, not low or high, but sort of like in between, a medium heat. And you want to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. So this will cook between 6 to 8 minutes, okay? Like I said, you can deep fry as well, but if you want to keep it nice and healthy, air fry it, or you can just shallow fry like I am doing. So yes, my darlings, I'm gonna go ahead, let this cook, and after about 4 minutes, gonna go ahead and flip it over. Now you don't want it to be too dark or too light. Cook it until it's nice and golden. Well guys, it's been about 6 or 8 minutes roughly, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove the first batch. As you can see, these are looking nice and golden, really beautiful. And yes, I actually love to put these in some burger buns as well. Guys, they make really nice patties if you want to put them inside of a burger bun. And yeah, my boys absolutely love them like this or inside of a burger bun. I find if I'm doing packed lunch, I can easily just squeeze one or two inside of a burger bun, and this will go for their lunch, and they absolutely love it. So this is the first batch done. Gonna go ahead and fry the second batch. Once everything is all cooked and fried and everything is all done, I'll come back and show you the final result. Or this is my chicken nuggets all done. I'm gonna go ahead and serve this up with some sweet chili sauce because these are spicy nuggets after all. I mind the heat on this is sort of like a 3/10 because you know I've got kids and I'm making this for them and they don't really like too much heat. And yes, my darlings, this came out so good. Like, I just couldn't even fault how amazing this came out. Like, wow, I think I could make this at least every day of the week and my boys wouldn't mind. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and dip one of them into the sweet chili sauce. I'll bite into it and show you the texture. My little boy was at school today, so he was actually not there to eat it as I go along, but hey, he will enjoy it for lunch. I really hope you enjoy the recipe. Try it for your kids. Let me know if you like it. It's been a pleasure having you here in my kitchen, and I'll see you again in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.